In this IoT tutorial, I'm going to show you how we incorporate real-time data in 3 easy steps so that you can train faster and better as a med student. And we're advancing you right now. First, let's head over to the computer and I'll show you the spine article we're referencing today. This article has a lot in it. Let's take a look at the screw that they used. We're going to be using something similar. Next, let's take a look at the method. We're actually just going to insert the screw, remove it 10 times. And lastly, let's take a look at the max torque that they were looking at. We're going to try to hit about 2 Newton meters. You can see where our maximum torque is, and you can see where our maximum force is. Up next, we're going to insert implants by hand. I can't wait to see how I do, and until then, keep advancing.